Hi guys, welcome to Maths. This week we are going to be looking at shape, and our learning goal today is to identify 2D shapes and their features, and to be successful we'll know the names of some 2D shapes, and we'll know that 2D shapes have sides and corners, and we can also refer to corners as vertices. So I'll be using that piece of vocabulary throughout the week. So when I hear vertices, I'm talking about corners. So your introduction to 2D shapes is just here on the board behind me. So 2D shapes are shapes that are two-dimensional. That's why we say 2D. It means they only have two dimensions, which is length and height, but they don't have any width to them. So shapes that are flat, there's no width to those shapes at all. So here are a couple of really common 2D shapes that you should know. We've got our rectangle, our triangle, and our circle. And all of these shapes have the features that I was talking about, the edges and the vertices. And remember, vertices means corners. So if we were to have a look at the rectangle to begin with, we need to count up the number of corners or vertices that it has. We can just do that by sight. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices or corners on a rectangle. For a triangle, there is 1, 2, 3. There's four vertices on a rectangle, 3 vertices on a triangle, and for a circle, there's none. The edges don't meet into a point on a circle at all like they do on our rectangle and our triangle. So there's no vertices to record for a circle. As for our edges, our shapes have a different number of edges as well. Use a different colour to show you this. So an edge is a line. And a new edge is formed every time it comes to a vertice. So if we've got an edge and another and they meet, that means that that's 2 edges, not the one. So on our rectangle here, we've got 1 edge, 2 edges, 3 edges, and 4 edges. On our triangle, we've got 1, 2, 3. And on our circle, we've just got the 1, and it's a curved edge that goes all the way around. So we can see shapes all around us. If you were to look around the room you were in right now, there'd be a number of different 2D shapes all around you. For example, my drink bottle here. I was looking at this earlier, and the top of it, there's a 2D shape at the top of my lid. This is a circle, and I can identify it as a circle because there is 1 curved edge and there's no corners whatsoever. Another object that I have is my phone. So my phone has 4 vertices or 4 corners. It also has 4 edges, and 2 of the edges are longer than the other 2. So I know that this is a rectangle. So I'd love you guys to see what 2D shapes you can find around your house today. Have a hunt for as many as possible. Some of them may be on a certain side of your 3D shape.